This 2019 Jayco North Point 385 THWS is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 43 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 6, leveling jacks, air conditioning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, smoke detector, slide-out, microwave, refrigerator, oven, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Jayco North Point 385 THWS is 15,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.